Alright, so let's talk about longest increasing subsequence. So given integer array nums, return the length of the longest strictly increasing subsequence. So this is the definition of subsequence, and you may just go over it. So I'm jump to example 1. So 10, 9, 2, 5, 3, 7, 101, and 18. So the longest increasing subsequence is 2, 3, 7, 101. So in this case, basically you're just using a DP array and then just keep counting. And when you count, right, you need to pointer, and one point at I, the other pointer is J, and when I and J is not equal and also J is greater than I, then you just have to increment. You just have to increment your DP status, and later on you just pick the largest element in the array. So let me start coding. So in DP equal to new int, and this will be a length of the nums array, and now I need to fill out the initial array, the DP array to 1. This is because every integer should be should have the subsequent of itself, right? So arrays.fill DP 1. So now I can traverse. So I'm using double for loop. So starting from I equals 0, less than numsub length I plus plus, and I'm gonna have a j pointer. So j pointer start from 0, j less than I, and then j plus plus. So no matter what, right, I will start from the beginning and then traverse to see if I have another subsequence of this current array, right? So if I is right here, right? Only if I is right here, and j will start from the beginning, 10, and then traversing to the 2, and then which is, they are not actually valid because you need to have an if statement if number j is actually what? It's actually less than number I, right? Hope this makes sense because you need from the smallest to the largest, right? And you need the smallest, which is j. J has to be the smallest. So when you traverse, so imagine this is j, and then this is I, right? So 2, 5, okay, cool. 2, 5, 7, cool. 101, which is 4. Alright, this will be pretty much equal to 2, 3, 7, 101. So 2, 5, 2, 5, 7, 101 will be another subsequence as well. So what do you actually need to do? Since the initial value is 1, and then when you ever pick another integer, you need to increment by 1, right? So dpi will be max. It's either dpi or dpj plus 1, right? So think about it, like you need to pick an integer in the subsequent, so you need to increment by 1, right? So now we just need to return value, which is an integer, right? So I need to traverse the dp array, and then pick the largest one. And this will be the solution. So let's just run it. And yes. Alright, so let's talk about time and space complexity. For the time, this will be all of n squared. Space is all of n, and this will be the solution. This is all of n. And if you have any questions, subscribe, likes, leave a comment if you want, and then I'll see you next time. Bye.